Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi Q5 brake pads. First, gather all necessary tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a caliper compression tool. Next, safely lift your Audi Q5 using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands for stability. Once the vehicle is secure, remove the wheel to gain access to the brake caliper assembly. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient brake pad replacement process. Now, let's move on to removing the caliper and inspecting your brake components. Begin by unbolting the caliper guide pins, then carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Take a moment to inspect the brake rotor for any grooves, cracks, or uneven wear, which might indicate a need for replacement. Finally, remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket, noting their wear pattern. With the old pads out, it's time to install the new ones. First, place the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they are correctly oriented. Next, use a caliper compression tool to gently retract the caliper piston, creating space for the thicker new pads. Finally, carefully reattach the caliper, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque for safety. For the final steps, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm, which helps reset the caliper piston. Always check your brake fluid reservoir and top it off if the level is low. Remember, proper brake function is crucial for safety. Also, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. This ensures your Audi Q5's brakes are ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.